suppose they'll expand up your way, coming out here someday.
In Lincoln County, conservation work in one field will keep about 19 tons of sediment out of the North Branch Yellow Medicine River every year. That project alone will achieve 10% of the 10-year sediment reduction goal for the North Branch. The landowner worked with staff from the SWCD, NRCS, and Technical Service Area.
The biggest problem was the big rain events we've been having. There gets to be a lot of water running off to the land, and there's a gradual slope to the northeast of that farm, and the water just continually gets stronger and faster as it goes across the farm. It started washing out the ground and leaving ditches that we couldn't actually cross with farm equipment because there was so much soil moving down, and it was ending up down in the creeks or ends up down the rivers. If we're outletting water, at least it's clean water going into the creeks.
The project involved 6 water and sediment control basins in the upland area where the gully erosion was taking place, a small diversion at the top of a major waterway that was put in. It was a newly constructed waterway. So what we had was 150 acres of watershed of water flowing across the surface of the ground, all hitting one point on a road with a small 18-inch culvert.
Right downstream of the project is the Yellow Medicine River, so keeping all of that sediment out of the river will help clean our waters up and reduce any type of nutrient loading that could be occurring.
90% of the cost was covered by EQIP assistance from NRCS, a grant from the MPCA, and clean water funds from the Minnesota Board of Water and Soil Resources.
If I didn't have the cost share funds, it wouldn't have been affordable. We wouldn't have done it. We would have just continued the way things were. We're filling in the washouts with a blade or a scraper and farming them again, and then you'd get the rain events the following year and they'd wash out again. Conservation, I think, is very important. It's the future of farming. We start losing our topsoil, and whether it's through wind erosion or water erosion, it's important that we keep our topsoil in place so it's there for future generations to farm.
Fortunately, in Lincoln County, we don't have to persuade our landowners. They know from the landscape that they farm in the erosion issues that we have. And we have a list of projects for people that want to do work on their land. The downfall is we don't have enough funding to get to everybody. That's why we try to pool all those resources together.